In this house, 25 kilos have been shed.
I went into lockdown here in Melbourne, and whilst I was there, I came out 42 kilos heavier, and I've had gastric surgery for weight loss. Thanks to Michael and Janet and their inspiration, I've shed 15 kilos just by not eating all those things that I found myself wanting to eat. Just because I had small reduction, it shows that sugar and things like that actually still can make you fat.
The food was fantastic. I've never actually been able to think that I could sit down and eat beautiful berries and cream morning and afternoon teas and still lose weight. I felt guilty all the time, but I feel fantastic now.